Hello everyone, my name is Snehal Nai. I belong from electronics background, not in IT background. But now I am selected in a Motadata company as a QA trainee because of STAD Solution. I started my training is an online training from STAD Solution for manual testing and automation testing. During my manual testing, I learned about SDLC, STLC process, DRD report, FRD report, bug life cycle, test plan, test scenario, test cases, test metrics, test reports, and also learn about mobile application, web application, game applications, and also live application testing like WhatsApp, Signal application. I am very thankful to Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am having a very nice explanation skill, so easy to understand for everyone. And also I'm very thankful for Mehul Jadeja sir. Mehul Jadeja sir is a very nice tutor for helping everyone who whenever we are stuck during programming or an installation error, he is available for resolve the queries or resolve our syntax errors or any query or any difficulty. He is very supportive, and STAD Solution is giving a day by day task. Day by day task is a very helpful for your job, during your job, because IT industry needed practical knowledge also, not in theoretical knowledge. So at that time it is work, whatever task they given. So please guys, I just want to say, please guys, join a STAD Solution for a start or new start your career. I am very thankful to Ajay Pal sir, Mehul Jadeja sir, and Richa ma'am also. Thank you so much, STAD Solution. Bye.